Credit Cards Explained, What Beginners Need to Know. Hey everyone, welcome back to Saving Sense 106. Today, we're diving into a topic that's essential for anyone looking to manage their finances wisely, credit cards. Whether you're a complete beginner or just need a refresher, this video is for you. 1. Introduction to credit cards. First things first, what exactly is a credit card? A credit card is a financial tool issued by banks or financial institutions that allows you to borrow money up to a certain limit to make purchases or pay bills. Unlike a debit card, which draws money directly from your bank account, a credit card gives you a line of credit that you can use and repay later. 2. How credit cards work. Here's how credit cards work in a nutshell. 1. Application. You apply for a credit card from a bank or credit card issuer. 2. Approval and limit. If approved, you receive a card with a set credit limit. 3. Purchases. You use the card to make purchases up to your credit limit. 4. Billing cycle. At the end of each billing cycle, you receive a statement showing what you owe. 5. Repayment. You pay at least the minimum amount due by the due date to avoid penalties. You can also choose to pay off the full balance to avoid interest charges. 3. Key terms to know. Understanding some key terms will help you manage your credit card effectively. Let's go over a few important ones. Credit limit, the maximum amount you can borrow. APR, annual percentage rate, the interest rate charged on unpaid balances. Minimum payment, the smallest amount you need to pay to keep your account in good standing. Billing cycle, the period between statement dates, typically about a month. Grace period, the time you have to pay your balance in full before interest is charged. Credit score, a numerical representation of your creditworthiness, influenced by how you use your credit card. 4. Benefits of using credit cards. Now, let's talk about why you might want to use a credit card. Here are some benefits. 1. Convenience, easy to carry and use for both online and in-store purchases. 2. Rewards and perks. Many cards offer cashback, travel points, and other rewards. 3. Building credit. Responsible use helps build your credit score. 4. Fraud protection, enhanced security features and protection against unauthorized charges. 5. Emergency fund, can be useful in financial emergencies when cash is not available. 5. Potential pitfalls and how to avoid them. However, credit cards can also lead to financial trouble if not used wisely. Here are some pitfalls to avoid. 1. High interest rates. Carrying a balance can lead to significant interest charges. 2. Debt accumulation, easy to overspend and accumulate debt. 3. The impact on credit score. Late payments and high balances can hurt your credit score. 4. Fees. Watch out for annual fees, late payment fees, and foreign transaction fees. To avoid these pitfalls, always pay your balance in full if possible, track your spending, and stay within your budget. 6. Choosing the right credit card. Choosing the right credit card can make a big difference. Consider the following factors. Interest rates. Look for cards with low APRs. Rewards programs. Find a card that offers rewards that match your spending habits. Fees. Be aware of any annual fees or other charges. Credit requirements. Make sure your credit score meets the card's requirements. 7. Best practices for using credit cards. Finally, here are some best practices for using credit cards. 1. Pay on time. Always make your payments on or before the due date. 2. Pay more than the minimum. Aim to pay off your balance in full to avoid interest. 3. Monitor your statements. Regularly check your statements for any unauthorized charges. 4. Keep balances low. Maintain a low credit utilization ratio to boost your credit score. 5. Stay informed. Keep up with any changes in your credit card terms and benefits. And there you have it, everything beginners need to know about credit cards. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Saving Sense for more financial tips and advice. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.